Hi, I'm TJ Modi, and I'm the owner for the Paradise Tiny Home Community in the Palm Springs area. We are a brand new community. This is going to be an option for a lot of people that are looking for a great place to live, as well as it's very affordable. And this is going to be filled with 90 tiny homes. So we are located in the sunny California, right between Joshua Tree and Palm Springs. We have beautiful weather, it's sunny, and then we have beautiful mountain views. Now we'd like to give you a tour of our community as well as the Boxabl casitas. So this is one of our lots. We have 90 spaces. A lot is generally between 50 feet long to 25 feet wide. Here we have all the utilities and they're all brand new. So we have the electrical with the meter as well as all different kinds of connections from 50, 30, 20 amps, as well as we have the sewer connection right there as well as the water connection.
Hi, my name is Cheyenne and I'm the on-site manager here at Paradise Tiny Home Community located in Desert Hot Springs, California. And this is our first Boxabl. She is 20 by 40 feet and she is available on Airbnb. Let's take a look inside. Welcome to Paradise Blue. What makes this rental special is even though she's under 400 square feet, she's got high vaulted ceilings and the layout is fabulous. Starting behind me is the kitchen. Equipped with full-size appliances and tons of storage. Just off to the kitchen is our wonderful dining area for two. This is plenty of room to enjoy all of your meals. And behind me is our living room of the Boxabl, where you can sit down, enjoy a movie, enjoy plenty of natural light. On top of the divider, which separates your living room and your bedroom, is the TV, as she swivels so you can enjoy movies in the living room or the bedroom. Moving into the bedroom, she's open, spacious, not like a traditional tiny home bedroom. What I love about the bedroom is not only the queen size bed, full storage for two, but the amazing lofted ceilings. And next to the bedroom is the full size bathroom. The bathroom feels huge. What I love most about the bathroom is not only the natural light, but all the storage. That's it for our Boxabl. If you're interested in purchasing one or any of our other models, please visit our website.
Do you wear socks and sandals? I sure do, thanks to our partner Bombas. Their comfy socks and dreamy Friday slides got me feeling like I'm walking on a cloud. Ready to find your dream selection of socks and slippers for a cozy winter season or a tropical vacation? Bombas Merino wool socks are naturally temperature regulating, keeping your tootsies cool when it's hot and warm when it's not for year-round comfort. I'm loving my Friday slides. Light yet perfectly supportive, and they're waterproof. You know what's got me feeling extra good? In here. Bombas has donated over 150 million essential clothing items across their network of over 3,500 giving partners in all 50 states. One purchased equals one donated, and enjoy a 100% happiness guarantee. Feel good and do good with Bombas, knowing your purchase is doing some real good. New customers get 20% off their first purchase. Just go to bombas.com/tinyhouse and use our code tinyhouse at checkout.
This particular tiny home community was zoned as an RV park. So we could not change the zoning, but we can put tiny homes. It has to be RVIA. They call it ANSI 119.5. That's the code. tiny home manufacturers make sure it is done according to that standard. And that's why we are also limited to 400 square feet or less. We are partnered with Clever Tiny Homes as well as with Boxabl. As you will see in our community, we already have 4 Boxables here, and 4 more are on the way. They're coming next week, Monday, Tuesday. So we are very excited. It's been very difficult to get Boxabl for most people. We do Airbnb, and people seem to love them. They can buy one which we already have here. It could be a Boxabl or Clever Tiny. They can buy direct from the manufacturers. So we are open to that. There are lots of different options for financing. A lot of banks give that, but the 3 major players in this space are 21st Mortgage is one company. Second one is called Triad, and Credit Human is the third biggest one. And there are like a few others. Generally, pricing on the low end, they would start at 50,000. On the high end, more like 120. But again, there is no limit. There is a high end homes you can buy for 150 or 200,000. No restrictions with that. This is our clubhouse, as well as this is our office. Pool area includes pool, the jacuzzi. Also, we have a barbecue in the back area there. Lots of sitting areas, different areas where people could mingle with their friends or family. And then once we go inside, we have the clubhouse, a fitness center. We have the outdoor yoga studio. In the clubhouse, of course, they could be playing pool, ping pong, and there's a fireplace they could sit by, or a large TV. We have a little section for library, as well as there is lots of board games. When people live in tiny homes, they like to have some activities or indoor-outdoor, and the reason we create amenities. And we are big on that, and it feels great to be in this open spaces. We wanted to make sure people are having a great time when they are in this kind of amenities. Apart from the pool and clubhouse here, we have lots of other amenities within our tiny home community. That includes pickleball, which is very popular nowadays, as well as fire pits. We have dog park, we have children's play area, we have fountain there, plus a lot of different areas where people can get together. That's what we have in our community. First step is to go to our site and set up an appointment to come and view the community and the tiny homes that we already have. If you like one of those, then it makes it very easy, and fast, right? If you like the community but you don't want one of the existing and you want to bring your own home, then of course that's a process. We can introduce you to various manufacturers if you like any of those. Otherwise, you can go out and find any tiny home manufacturer that you are comfortable with. We are of course month to month, as well as we can do a 1-year leases. We are also looking for people who want to be here long term, whether it's 5-10 years or their lifetime. This is where they want to make it a home. So that's ideally the people we are looking for. We don't want to, of course, lock them into long-term lease or whatever, so that way it's always open and transparent. Our space rent starts at $495 for the space, and then $300 is reserved for the utilities on top of that. So basic, your minimum is going to be $795 per month. And then, of course, for premium sites, there may be slightly more. So if somebody had an off-grid home and they wanted to bring it in our community, they are most welcome to do that, And in that case, their rent would be just $495. I'm originally from India. I came to US over 30 years back. Now to me, US is my country. Initially, I got my master's in computers, and then within 3 years, once I had my green card, I started my company because I was brought up with being an entrepreneur. So my journey into real estate, one, I was looking for diversification. Other, I was looking for a little more passive income. Third was also to help people get into housing because, as you know, in US, we have a huge affordable housing crisis going on. I thought this will be a good way to provide quality housing at affordable prices. So that has always been our mantra ever since we started, and that's what we believe in. just because it's affordable does not mean it needs to be anything cheap. You know, I wanted to make sure it is a high value as well as give them resort style amenities, and that's what we are trying to do here.
Thank you for watching our video and for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more tiny home tours and stories, click the videos below.
And join us on Instagram for bonus content,
including face-to-face conversations with us. We hope to see you there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.